I will be riding motorcycles around southern Japan in less than 3 weeks, and these are the gloves I'll be taking with me. They're the full gauntlet leather gloves from Indy Ridge. On the islands of Kyushu and Yakushima, I'm expecting quite a bit of rain. So to waterproof my gloves, I'm going to apply a generous amount of Obenauf's heavy-duty leather preservative. Obenauf's LP is made with beeswax and propolis. No petroleum solvents, paraffin, or mink oil. It repels water, acid, salt, petroleum, and other chemicals. Resists scuffing, abrasion, stitch tear, and premature cracking in flex areas. It restores dried and sun-faded leather, but does change the leather's color a bit. Here's a good before and after. This glove I just applied Obenauf's LP to, and this is the original color. It's a lot darker. It's more than a fair trade-off to waterproof these gloves. Now I should mention, because I know people are gonna ask, this is not a sponsored video. I purchased these gloves and this wax with my own money. I just think they're great products and I'm excited to use them and share them with you guys. The bikes I will be riding while in Japan do not have hand guards. They're more street style bikes, some retro bikes. I'm so excited to ride on. The first one that I will have for 6 days is a Honda CB350. It's not the RS. I think it's just the S. It's not the C, I know that. But beautiful, classically styled motorcycle with modern manufacturing. And I'll have that for 6 days, and we'll probably get rained on the most riding that bike, just based on the location where I'll have it. And the second bike I'm renting is a Kawasaki Z900 RS, which will be the fastest bike I've ever ridden. So I'm very excited for that. It's a beautiful bike, it sounds incredible, and everyone says that it rides incredible too. So I'm very excited to ride both of those bikes. And then a third motorcycle I have not decided on yet, which I'll be riding around the Tokyo area, south of Tokyo. I need to coordinate with a friend who lives in Japan to see when and where we will be riding. Alrighty. I think that does it for the right glove. Again, look at the difference in color. It looks black. On the camera, it looks black. In person, it's definitely still brown. This wax was developed by wildland firefighters in Idaho to preserve leather boots and provide heavy-duty protection while using natural ingredients. It doesn't have a strong smell and will cure in 24 to 48 hours. One nice thing about this wax changing the color is I can easily see where I've been and where I still need to apply the wax. Because it's quite the difference in color. I bet this left glove will darken a little bit once I start using the brush. There's so much stitching on these gloves. I basically have to brush the entire thing, and that turns them so dark. Look at these things. Again, they look black from what I'm seeing on my monitor, but they're still a little brown in person. All right. right, these just need to cure for 24 to 48 hours, and they should be waterproof. It's been pretty rainy here in Utah, very wet autumn, and there's a good amount of rain in the forecast, so I will be testing these out soon, and I'll let you know how they do. Catch you next time.